How to claim credit back on Temu. Did your Temu order arrive late, damaged, or not at all? Here's how to claim credit back quickly. So first log into your Temu account and then go ahead and head over into the orders section. So to do that, click on the top right of your screen and that will take you here. So that will take you to the order section. Now, on the order section, find the order you want to claim credit for. Tap the order, scroll down, and select return or refund or credit back, and Temu will ask you how would you like your refund. You can choose a refund to your original payment method, which takes about 3 to 7 business days, or Temu credit, which is applied instantly to your account balance. Now, provide details about the issue like late delivery or damaged items, upload photos if required, and then tap submit. Your credit will appear right away. Remember, Tamo credit can't be withdrawn as cash and credits may expire if unused, so always document issues with photos for faster approval. And that's it, and that is how you can easily claim credit back on Tamu.